In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a cycle of 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. With 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Let's start the first set. With 1 single crochet in the first stitch, where we just worked the slip stitch of last round. Next, with 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase finished. 1 set is done. Keep working 5 more sets. The second set, with 1 single crochet and 1 increase in turn. The third set, with 1 single crochet and 1 increase in turn. The fourth set, with 1 single crochet and 1 increase in turn. The fifth set, with 1 single crochet and 1 increase in turn. The sixth set, with 1 single crochet and 1 increase in turn. Finally, with 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert the hook into the marked stitch, yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the original loop on the hook. Tighten up, that's 1 slip stitch. The slip stitch only serves as a connection, and it is not counted into the number of stitches. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a cycle of 1 increase, 2 single crochets for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. With 1 chain stitch first. With 1 increase in the first stitch, we need to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Mark the first single crochet and then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. With 1 increase and 2 single crochets is 1 set. Keep working 5 more sets. We have demonstrated 3 sets. Please complete the rest 3 sets by yourself with 1 increase and 2 single crochets as 1 set. 6 sets are done. Finally, with 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 4 is done. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work a cycle of 3 single crochets, 1 increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. With 1 chain stitch first. Then work 3 single crochets. Next, with 1 increase. With 3 single crochets and 1 increase is 1 set. Keep working 5 more sets. We have demonstrated 2 sets. Please complete the rest 4 sets by yourself. With 3 single crochets and 1 increase is 1 set. After 6 sets are done, with 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 5 is done. In rounds 6 to 9, with 1 chain stitch, 30 single crochets and 1 slip stitch for each round. In round 6, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 30 single crochets. With 1 single crochet in each stitch, we need to finish 30 single crochets in total. Please complete the remaining single crochets by yourself. We need to finish a total of 30 single crochets. Finally, with 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 6 is done. Rounds 7 to 9 are the same as round 6. Please finish them by yourself. Round 9 is done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Let's install the eyes. We'll insert the safety eyes between rounds 7 to 8. Insert the other eye in the same way, spacing 2 eyes 7 stitches apart. Then turn the fabric and put on safety bed pieces. 2 eyes are completed. Put the hook back into the loop. We'll continue crocheting.